Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Over 100 United States former prosecutors and federal agents have come together to address the United States Department of State to secure the release of Tigran Gambaryan, the head of financial crime and compliance at Binance, from custody in Nigeria. The June 6 letter was addressed to the Secretary of State, Antony Blinken, who is the head of the United States Department of State. The letter explained that the actions of the United States government on the issue were insufficient, and dire consequences loom following further inaction by the government of the United States. Recall also that 12 United States politicians and members of Congress wrote to United States President Joe Biden in a June 4 letter urging him to bring back Binance executive from Nigeria. Also recall that on February 26, 2024, Tigran Gambaryan and Nadine Anjarwalla were invited to Nigeria by Nigerian authorities. The meeting turned sour, and the spat between the Nigerian authorities and the two executives representing Binance led to their arrest and detention in Nigeria, including the confiscation of their passports. Their passports were seized and they were held in a government guest house in Nigeria for days. Nadine Anjarwalla, one of the detained Binance executives, was able to escape to Kenya with a second passport. Of course, you know that Anjarwalla, according to Nigerian government, has been declared wanted, and that the Interpol is helping Nigerian government to get him back. I don't know how true that is, because the circumstances in which they were brought to Nigeria, they were like 419 to come to Nigeria. In fact, the way they play the whole thing out is no different from how some of these Yahoo boys used to deceive people. Because apparently these guys came to Nigeria to explain what they know about the complaint the Nigerian government had made against Binance, and they thought that they can easily resolve the matter. Even though that they have removed the Naira from the peer-to-peer trading in their platform, the Nigerian government still detained them until one of them managed to escape in questionable circumstances. Now, why is this important? Why is this important? This is important because you know the state of the Nigerian economy right now. Nigeria has lost over $50 billion as foreign companies that were operating in Nigeria for decades. They have been leaving the country as a result of the economic reforms of President Tinubu, which include the flotation of the Naira and the removal of the fuel subsidy, which affected their bottom line, and many of them are leaving. And the Nigerian government claimed that you want foreign investors to come to Nigeria. And if you are talking about foreign investors, one of the largest investors you can get anywhere in the world are from the United States. Nigeria is an oil producing country. If you want investment in the oil sector, the leaders in oil investment are mostly from the United States. Even in other sectors, America is a leader when it comes to foreign investment. What message is the Nigerian government sending by the continuous detention of the Binance executive? by leading officials in the United States. And if you do that report very well, you find out that those who are championing the release of the American citizen who is the executive of Binance, they are testifying that the guy is a good guy, that is a credible person, that this guy has worked in several departments in the United States. He has led several battles against non-state actors, those who are involved in pornography, those who are involved in tax evasion and all kinds of things. They know him, they have his record. Obviously, from that the report, you see that if you go through the complete story, they were saying that, literally saying that the young man will not get justice in Nigeria. Because if they believe that he can get justice in Nigeria, they will not be demanding that President Biden should do more to secure his release. It is an indication of their losing faith in the rule of law in Nigeria, which is an indictment of the President Bola Tinubu administration. Because ordinarily the administration can say, okay, this matter is in court, let us finish it from the court. If the court can declare him innocent, fine and good, he will leave our country. But they don't want to go through that route. They don't have confidence in the judiciary in Nigeria. And when a country looking for foreign investors reach to the level where countries that are potential investors do not have confidence in the judicial system, how do you expect them to bring their hard-earned dollars to come and invest in Nigeria? How do you expect them to do that? In fact, these two letters that have been written by US lawmakers and then by those who have worked with the US State Department in the past and everything is an indication that they have lost confidence in President Bola Tinubu administration to do justice on this matter. Now what they want is what you can call out-of-court settlement. They want America to wield its big diplomatic stick against Nigeria to force Nigeria to release this man, this Binance executive that is remaining in Nigeria. It doesn't look good for Nigeria. Because what happened to these two people, it has sent wrong signal even to the United States government and United States officials, past and present, that something is really wrong here. It therefore means that the government of Nigeria, if they are sincere about attracting foreign investors, they have to look into this matter, this Binance executive matter, and see how they can resolve it amicably before the American government will wield the big stick against Nigeria, which they will not hesitate to do. Right now, this matter is not yet in the front burner in American politics. I don't know the leaning of this executive, whether it's leaning towards Republican or leaning towards Democrats. If he's leaning towards Republicans and Donald Trump makes it an issue, it will become another matter altogether and make it a campaign issue. How Biden abandoned American citizens to be detained in Nigeria unjustly, because that's what they are saying. This guy is being detained unjustly. But Nigeria is saying he violated the law. He violated the tax laws and all kinds of allegations they leveled against him. But if that is the case, then I expect the Nigerian government to respond to the United States government to convince them that they are not holding him unnecessarily, that he violated Nigerian law and this and that is what he did, and that the law in Nigeria can be trusted to save the situation, that the law can be able to show whether he's innocent or guilty as charged. But if they don't do that, it is not only the United States government that is watching. The European Union and others are watching Nigeria. And these countries, they always watch the body language of the United States. Because don't forget, America is the leader of the free world. If America show this test towards investment in Nigeria, it will generate a bandwagon effect from the Western countries to invest in Nigeria. The highest in Nigeria will do it because sometimes we like to show that we are stubborn. You say, we don't care. If we are looking for investors, China will supply us with investors. We'll see how far we'll go with China. China romance with Buhari for 8 years. Where are we today? Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.